Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Shubhro, and you're watching the first and foremost video of Computer Edu 101. And as the name suggests, we're gonna be talking about different topics of computer and computer topics like subjects like Linux programming, shell programming, Java programming, jQuery, HTML5, CSS3, and all the kind of stuff that you come across. If you have any problem or if you have any queries, you can post them on the comment in this video. I'll try to make a tutorial of it, and later on I'm also going to provide the link to my Facebook page and Twitter account, so you can follow me and like my Facebook page. You can also request your video tutorials out there, and I'll make sure that I'll make that tutorial so you can understand how to do things. Let me give my introduction to all of you. Why am I doing this? My name is Shubhro, and I am a software engineering student studying from my university. And this is the last year that I'm about to complete my graduation. So I thought, why not provide this? Why not make a little bit of a tutorial for everybody so they can understand how to do things that every other person can do? Like, why not be able to use Linux in a total way instead of sticking to the blood-sucking Windows. The Linux is far better than Windows in many ways because it provides you a lot of options of customization, and if you know how to do that, you can actually pimp up your operating system to the way where it's completely customized to your choices. So in this video today, I'm going to talk about Linux commands, and I'm going to go through the just basics of it. And the main reason why I'm focusing on Linux operating system, how to use it and how to use its commands, because you see there are a lot of small computers out there, like a Raspberry Pi, Android Mini PC and stuff, and a lot of you are actually interested to buy them to make use of whatever it is, like torrenting, downloads, 24/7 server, web server, home media server, whatever it is. It requires a little bit of computing in it, and as it comes with the Debian distribution, you'll have to understand how to use Linux. It's very uneasy to buy a keyboard and mouse for such a small device which you're not gonna use in a wide range. So a lot of people actually choose to use it using PuTTY, which is a remote login client, and PuTTY actually provides you just the way of using character interface, that is terminal. That's why it's very urgent for you to understand how to use commands and stuff. So before I go ahead and start talking about different commands and how to use them, I'm just going to give you a small example or tell you what they are. Well, commands are nothing but a file stored in the system directory of operating system. But not every commands are stored in a system directory. There are a lot of there are two types of commands actually. One is built-in, another is external. The built-in commands are the commands which are built in the shell of the operating system, and external commands are files which are stored in the system directory. If you do not understand the meaning of shell and system directory, I encourage you to go ahead and check the videos or images of Unix operating architecture of Unix operating system that will help you understand what I'm talking about. So let me go ahead and give you a small example of uh, built-in command and external command. First, I'm going to give you a small example of an external command called cat. So to see the location where the cat command is stored, we'll be using a command called type and then cat. And when you press enter, it shows cat is in bin directory and then the cat file itself. So what exactly happens in here is that when you type a command and press enter, terminal looks up the path variable where all the system directory location are stored, and the terminal actually go through all those locations and look up the command. If they find it, then they go to the description which describes its function, and then terminal request the shell to perform certain actions that is in the description, and then shell performs the required task and provide the output. If I'm going too fast, that's because this is not a essential video. This is just a basic, so I'm trying to keep the timing low and ramble a little bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and provide you a little bit of knowledge about I'm going to go ahead and show you what the variable path is. So to show anything, to print anything in terminal, we'll be using the command called echo. For those who are used to using who are used to developing or working with PHP, you know, echo is something that you use to provide output in PHP. So just like that, variable path, enter, and it shows all the directories of system directory where all the commands are stored. And now I'm going to give you a small example of a built-in command which is built in the shell of the operating system. Before, we have used the command called type, which shows the folder where the command cat is stored, but now we'll be doing type so that it shows where the type command is stored. And when you press enter, it shows type is a shell built in. So as you can see, type is an internal command where cat is an external command. So type is actually built in the shell, and cat is a file which is stored in the system directory. I hope that this tutorial has been brief and it provides you better knowledge. As I told you, I'm trying to keep the timing of the video low, so I'm gonna end this video right here. But on the next video, I'm going to talk about flexibility of command usage using manual page online, and when things go wrong, what to do. So we'll get to know all these interesting facts on the next video. So if you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any more videos. I'll be producing lots of videos on different topics. And if you like this video, if you think this is a little bit helpful for you to understand what things are, then please don't forget to click that like button below. And if you have any feedback, any questions, don't forget to post them on the comment. And try not to be too rude to each other, because I know people fight. So just saying. Anyways, guys, have a nice one. Goodbye.